bubbles in the air, blowing bubbles everywhere. Some will fly up to the sky, some will drop and just go pop. Some will last and some will break. That's a chance you have to take. Stronger ones need lots of soul, weaker ones need lots of hope. When the wind begins to blow up to the head,